Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Philips Sonicare toothbrush not charging. So if you're interested, let's get started. So having problems with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush, there is a few things you need to know here. Now, we actually found this thread here online. In this case, a lot of people are actually experiencing the same issue here. Their Sonicare toothbrush is experiencing some problems, especially for you people who have been using it for 2 years or more. But some who had used it before actually experienced some problem when they newly bought the actual device. Now, the thing with this one is, according to this thread, there's no definite way to fix this issue. But if you're going to ask me, the first thing that you should be checking here is going to be the contacts on your toothbrush. Make sure it's actually clean, and also make sure the base is also clean. So just to make sure to that we rule out that it's just dirty. But yeah, so in this case, according to users here, it looks like this is like a manufacturing problem. So some of them reported this into Philips, and Philips actually offered them a 25% discount on their next purchase for their next toothbrush. So in this case, there's not much that we can do here. So you could just report this to Philips, and they could offer you some services to get this fixed. But most likely, they would offer you a discount for your next purchase on your toothbrush. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.